get bored, you're more than welcome to come up. Alright. Gonna go through red lights anyway, never mind.
So like one does it, they all do it, is it?
3 of them did it.
Is he turning round on the roundabout? Alexi, what is he doing?
Wow. You couldn't make the roundabout maybe?
Nonsense. I've seen Arctics do that.
You see what do that?
Arctics.
What's that?
The ones that bend in the middle and he just hit the curb as well, the prick. He can't drive, Alexi.
You see what do that?
Arctics.
What's that?
Arctics, the ones that are like bendy in the middle, yeah?
What? No, you're on about the like the... What? So you got the bit at the front, yeah, and then
you got the drivey bit, yeah?
Yeah.
And then you got the towy bit.
Yeah.
The towy bit is separate from the drivey bit.
Yeah.
That's an Arctic.
Right, okay.
Yeah? Old cars spotting! Stupid parking spotting! They all just go for the red light.
I think they did.
Tut.
Tut. That wasn't a very good tut, was that? That was a tut.
Do it again, we can edit,
I do tut. Can't tut.
No, you just sound like a rabbit. Oh, bless him. He speeded up to get away from me. Oh, bless him. Well, that's a nice cyclist, that is. If only more of the fuckers were like that. Oh. Oh.
That backfired, didn't
He did something nice and then ruined it. Oh shit, there's another one! What are you doing?
Red light.
No, it's a taxi.
Still a red light?
Taxi green.
No.
Taxi green, Alexi.
No.
Taxi green.
No.
Yes.
No.
Alright, whatever.
One, the taxi was green, it was silver. And 2, the
No, taxi green.
I know what you mean.
Oh.
And it was a red light. Don't growl at me. Don't. Benjamin.
Three, 4, 5, 6. Oh, you waited for the green light. Alex, you clap. Just clap. Thank you.
I want to go now and pack first.
And Alex has got you with the evening show from 7 PM tonight.
Fuck, man, we'll pray.
Bloody hell, that scared the crap out of me.
Fucking dickhead. I don't get it, yeah? There's a completely empty drop-off point, but Special decides he wants to stop in the middle of the road and block everything up. I don't know. I don't get some people. They're strange, aren't they? That drop-off point is empty. Why don't you use it? Followed by a Special in Audi. Is there anyone in that car?
No.
No. Okay. I call that red light.
Yeah, it was a red light.
I call that red light.
It was a red light.
Oh, that poor mirror. Should you have some sad music?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't, have you?
A little bit bigger than the last one, Alexi. I don't think we can make it in one go.
It's not bigger than your last car.
It is. Oh, we've got hazard lights and alarm. Because it's parked like an idiot. Lol. Oh, that's something I've done for a while. I haven't lolled for quite a while. Lol, 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 lol.
Dad, you shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
Oh, shut your mouth.
You shut your mouth.
Would you both shut your mouths?
You shut your mouth. Oh,
For God's sake.
me to shut up.
Ah!
She's biting her fingers.
What? Don't bite
There's
it
a
then.
curb there, mate. There's a curb. Special, man.
If you get bored, you're more than welcome to come up. Hello.
Wow. Wow.
He nearly ran over a girl.
Silly bitch.
She just didn't look at all.
She was looking every way.
Should have drove faster. Yeah, if you're not done anything, welcome to pop up and say hello. Alright, well, I'm going to go because I ain't got a lot of move on the internet left. I'll speak to you in a bit. Alright, bye. I know. Alright, speak to you in a bit. Bye. Are they all flapping their hands?
Yeah, they're all flapping their hands because they didn't want to wait.
Quick reactions from Daddy. Daddy, Daddy, stop.
Do you notice how I made such an effort to slam on my brakes then?
Yeah.
I really, really slammed them on, didn't I?
You did.
Amazing, Moo! I was trying to explain how I nearly avoided killing someone. I didn't slam my brakes on.
No, no, you didn't.
I know I didn't. I wasn't actually going to stop. I was going to carry on.
Apparently, right, you should never swallow your mouth out and never use mouthwash straight after you clean your teeth.
Alexi, say, old car spotted!
All cars spotted! Yay!
Look, the registration fits the car, Alexi. Ew! It's I-10. Hyundai! Say it with me. Say Hyundai!
Hyundai.
Hyundai! You're boring. Say Hyundai!
Hyundai.
Hyundai!
Hyundai.
Hyundai 10. Ugh. You got any theories, Alexi?
Why is it just up there
I
now?
have no idea. Not a clue.
It's not even parked or anything, is that?
No. Yeah. That's a good place to park, Craig. That's a good place to park.
Oh, yeah.
Crashed.